Hi guys, this is Katie and today we are heading out for Thanksgiving dinner here in Bangkok. So if we haven't met before, my name is Katie, I live in Bangkok, Thailand, and I vlog about my life here. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. And also hit that notification bell because Vlogmas is just around the corner and I cannot wait. Anyway, today we're heading to a place called Fitzgeralds. It is on Soi 4 of Sukhumvit Road. We went here last year, we love the Thanksgiving dinner here, and I can't wait to tuck in because I'm so hungry. So like I said, we are heading to the Fitzgeralds bar. This is down Soi 4 on Sukhumvit Road and it's actually in the Nana Plaza area. So this is like known as the red light district of Bangkok. But to be honest, it's very safe to visit and this restaurant is great. You don't get any activities going on in this area. So we definitely love the Fitzgerald restaurant. We went to this Thanksgiving dinner here before and it was amazing. So that is why we are heading back this year. So we just caught a grab there, but you can get the BTS as well to Nana. But as you can see out of the windows, there's so many festive Christmas decorations out already. And I'm super excited to start Vlogmas this year and share our Christmas in Bangkok. So we arrive at the restaurant and you can see that this bar is pretty quiet. And I'll be honest, it was pretty quiet last year because there was no tourism. And this year, tourism has only just been brought back to Bangkok and to Thailand. So certain places in Thailand have reopened at the beginning of November and some tourists are starting to trickle back into the country, but it's going to take some time, guys. So Nana Plaza was nothing like it used to be before the world changed. But hopefully more tourists will come back to Thailand soon because I know that a lot of the places here need those tourists to get back here. Anyway, Fitzgerald, we love this restaurant. They have such good food and I'm showing you the menu here because they have such a diverse range of dishes and plenty of Western options as well. So you can see here there are so many different options to choose from. And in honesty, the prices in Fitzgerald are probably slightly higher for Western food than some of the pubs that we go to regularly near where we live. So we live on Sukhumvit Road, but further away from the tourist area. Nana Plaza is very much in the tourist hub, which is why these prices are slightly higher. But also, these prices are slightly higher because the food here is very good quality. So we have had sausages and mash from other places. Well, I've had sausage and mash because I love sausage and mash. I have had sausage and mash from other places that are cheaper, but the products and the quality just isn't as good as Fitzgerald, and the portion sizes in Fitzgerald's are really good as well. They have very good happy hours as well. So if you get here before 8 o'clock, they have some really good happy hours. And then actually even after 8, they have some fairly decent happy hours as well. So yeah, we sat and we had our meal. Callum went for a Guinness and I went for a Magners. And this Thanksgiving dinner had 3 parts to it. So you could choose a starter, you could either choose a smoked cod chowder, Caesar salad, or these cheesy mashed potato onion rings, which was basically like a big onion rings with mash and cheese, and it was amazing. Last year I went for the clam chowder, which was really good, but just really filling. And then you would have your normal Thanksgiving dinner. So you can see that this Thanksgiving dinner comes with all of the trimmings. You get your turkey and your ham. You get your pig in your blanket. I love a boob. Who here loves a pig? Like, that's literally my favourite part of a Christmas dinner is pigs and blankets. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google it. But I love pigs and blankets. Yeah, I'm just going to start raving about pigs and blankets. Anyway, moving on. So you have the food and it comes with gravy and some applesauce and some cranberry. So we felt like it was a full-on Thanksgiving dinner, which was great. And then for dessert, you could choose between a pumpkin pie and a pecan pie. We actually just both went for the pumpkin pie. Last year I did have the pecan pie, but I decided to go for something different this year. And I will say I didn't think I would like it, but I really did like it. And it was delicious. So yes, that was our trip to Fitzgerald's. This was just a short and sweet video to show Thanksgiving dinner in Bangkok because I think it's quite an unusual thing to find in Bangkok, but I would definitely recommend it if you are in Bangkok for Thanksgiving time because I really enjoyed it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Now, if you would like to see more about Christmas in Bangkok, make sure you hit subscribe because, as always, I will be doing Vlogmas this year and I will be sharing our life and our Christmas festivities here in Thailand. So make sure you hit subscribe. We will have lots of festive things coming up. We're going to be going for a Christmas fair. I'm going for some I'm going to make a wreath. I've got a wreath making session. I'm hoping to go for some afternoon tea, like a Christmas festive afternoon tea. We've got a hotel book. So you just make sure you hit subscribe to see all of our Christmas festivities over the next few weeks, because I can't wait to get stuck into Vlogmas. It's my favorite time of the year. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you found it helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.